Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be sharing with you how to make a delicious akara, that's beans cake, that every member of your family will be happy to have. Okay, so right now I'll be proceeding to select my beans to separate them from stones and chaff, and I'm done selecting them. Moment later I started to wash off the bark from the beans. If you want this to be a lot easier for you, feel free to use your blender so the bark will separate from the bean seed. This is what we'll have, guys. It was neatly washed, as you can see. So I'll be transferring it to my blender, adding just a little water. So I discovered the blender wasn't giving me what I wanted. I had to use my food processor, which did a beautiful job. You can see I didn't add anything, just a plain beans. And here I'll be whisking it to have a beautiful consistency. And I just added salt, my pepper and onion. Feel free to add any quantity of this, the amount you want, okay? Because I had children, I didn't want to add too much pepper. So I'll whisk it and then make sure everything is properly combined. This is it. I'll test to see if everything is okay. Moment later, I went to check on our oil. Of course, it was hot enough. So I'm beginning to fry on a medium heat, guys. This is actually my first time of doing this in my house, as I don't have a large family, so I considered it a waste of time and energy. But trust me guys, it was worth it, and I will be trying it again next time. So I just added beans, pepper and onion at the top for toppings to give it a beautiful look, guys. So this is what we have. It's okay that the onion and pepper are falling into the oil. It will give it a different beautiful aroma and taste. So this is the second batch. I didn't allow the first batch to over dry, but this one is going to be a bit drier than the first one, okay? So this is what we have, guys. If you enjoy what you are watching, please, I beg you guys, do not fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be notified whenever I post new videos, okay? I'll be using this opportunity to thank all my returning viewers. Thank you so much. You guys are doing amazing, amazingly beautiful. I love you all. Next, I'll be continuing the process until we are done with all the beans cake we'll have. Right now, you see, I'm topping it. Please do not flip over the second side if the second side is not properly dried. If not, it will scatter in the oil. And this is what we'll have, guys. Feel free to enjoy this akara with anything at all of your choice, be it oatmeal, be it pap, custard, anything at all. See you again next time. I love you all.